Hello student, this is the third session of solutions and colligative properties, and in previous video we had seen Henry's law, its example, Henry's constant, definition of Henry's constant and exceptions of Henry's law. Now in this session I will teach you Raoult's law. So Henry's law is related to the solubility and Raoult's law is related to the vapor pressure and mole fraction. So first, what is the statement of Raoult's law? It states that the partial vapor pressure of any volatile component of a solution is equal to the vapor pressure of pure solvent, pure component, vapor pressure of pure component multiplied by its mole fraction. So Raoult's law is applicable to the solutions which contains volatile component. Volatile component means जो उड़ जाते हैं. It states that the partial vapor pressure of any volatile component of a solution is equal to the vapor pressure of pure component and its mole fraction. In 11th standard we had studied what is mole fraction. So write down the mathematical expression. This is the statement and mathematical expression for this. Consider a binary equation that is binary solution which contains two volatile components, that is A1 and A2. A1 and A2 are the two components, and P1 and P2 are the partial pressure of and x1 and x2 are mole fractions of A1 and A2. P1 and P2 are the partial pressures of A1 and A2 respectively, and x1 and x2 are the mole fractions of A1 and A2 respectively. And P1 0 and P2 0 are the vapor pressure of pure component. Then according to the statement of the Raoult's law, we can write P1 is equals to, that is partial vapor pressure of any volatile component, that is P1 is equal to the vapor pressure of pure component. Vapor pressure of pure component is P10 and multiplied by its mole fraction, that is x1. P10 into x1. And for P2, for next component, that is P2 is equals to P20, that is P2 is a partial vapor pressure of any component or any volatile component is equals to its vapor pressure of pure component into its mole fraction, that is x2. Then according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, according to Dalton's law of partial pressure, P is equals to, means vapor pressure of solution, P is equals to P1 plus P2. P1 plus P2, and we can put this value. P1 is P10 into x1 and P20 into x2. We get P is equals to P10 into x1 plus P20 into x2. We are putting the values of these values of P1 and P2 in equation 1. We get P10 x1 plus P20 x2. But for binary equation, x1 plus x2 is equals to 1 always. Means mole fraction of solute plus solvent is always 1, and therefore we can write x1 is equals to, therefore x1 is equals to 1 minus x2. We can write 1 minus x2. Then put this value in equation 2. This equation 2, we get P is equals to P10 x1 की जगह हम रखेंगे 1 minus x2, 1 minus x2 plus P20 into x2. Then P is equals to, अब इसमें से ये मल्टीप्लाई करो तो P10 1 को मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस P10 x2 एंड प्लस P20 x2. ओके, देन ये P10 यहाँ x2 is common. In this case x2 is common, so we can write P is equals to P10 minus, प्लस भी लिख सकते हैं P20, सॉरी P1, P is equals to P20 minus P10 into x2, यहाँ से कॉमन निकाला हमने x2 एंड प्लस ये P10, and this is the mathematical expression for Raoult's law. Okay student, so what is the statement of Raoult's law? The vapor pressure of any volatile component is equal to the vapor pressure of pure solvent and its mole fraction. It is multiplied by its mole fraction. If we consider a binary solution A1 and A2, A1 and A2 are these two components of solution. P1 and P2 are their partial pressures, x1 and x2 are their mole fractions, and P10 and P20 are vapor pressures of pure component. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आता है बोर्ड में स्टेट एंड एक्सप्लेन रॉल्ट्स लॉ, तो स्टेटमेंट लिखना है और यहाँ तक करना है सिर्फ फॉर दिस इक्वेशन तक. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आता है show that P is equals to P20 minus P10 into x2 plus P10. नहीं तो solve Dalton's law of partial pressure. Then you have to write all these things. Okay. So this is the Raoult's law. In next video, I will teach you what is ideal equations and what is non-ideal equations. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.